If your floorboards sound hollow when you walk on them, it might be because of insect damage that you seriously need to check out. So, here's the thing about insect damage under floorboards. Those little critters like termites or carpenter ants can munch away at the wood and leave it weak and hollow. First, listen closely for that hollow, almost echoey sound when you step. If it sounds weirdly empty, that's a red flag. Next, try tapping different spots gently and see if some areas sound different. The soft or hollow spots could mean damage. Also, look for tiny holes or sawdust-like stuff around the edges of the floorboards. That's a classic sign of wood-boring insects. If you spot any of these signs, don't wait to call a pro pest inspector because early detection can save you tons of cash. Another tip is to keep your home dry since moisture attracts these pests, so fix leaks and use dehumidifiers if needed. You can also use insect-resistant wood treatments when doing repairs to keep the bugs at bay. Lastly, regular home inspections are clutch. Spotting issues before they get bad will protect your floors and your wallet. One of the biggest problems people run into with insect damage under floorboards is ignoring the early warning signs like hollow sounds or small holes, which lets the problem get way worse. Fix this by paying attention and investigating even subtle signs of damage. Another common mistake is trying to cover up the issue with new flooring without fixing the bug problem underneath. This just hides the problem and lets it spread. The better move is to treat the infestation first before doing any repairs. Lastly, a lot of folks underestimate how moisture feeds these pests, so they forget to manage water leaks or humidity in their homes. Keeping your place dry and ventilated is an easy way to stop bugs from moving in. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle insect damage and other home repairs. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, so everyone wins.